Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about your husband, wife, or fiance. What are they thinking about you? What are they hiding from you? What's in their mind about you? Anything. And there's two piles. The number one pile is motorcycle keychain and the silver motorcycle keychain, and the other is a blue Mathabindia pile. Whichever you are attracted most, or the number of pile 1 or 2 or these piles or the keychain and this Mathabindia, um, you you have to choose that pile, and I am going towards my pile number 1. Those who choose pile number 1 or the silver motorcycle keychain, your reading is that at this time, at this moment, you are not able to decide or do anything. You are not in your form. You are not able to decide anything. You are exhausted, or yes, you are not in your energy. This is not good time for you. What about this? Maybe this is not good time for your wishes to come true. Yes, this is not the good time for that. You maybe you have no resources to have food or something. Yes, this is not the time to decide anything. Okay, your wheel of fortune is upside down. You can see that there's your wheel of fortune. It's like this, and now this is upside down. Today I am starting to read the reading upside down also. Most of the readers are doing this, and I also want to do this. Okay, now this is your wheel of fortune, and it's upside down. At this time your luck is not with you. You are having your very bad time at this moment. Maybe this is because of your past. You have done something in your past that is not good, and now you are punishing over that thing. Maybe someone had cursed you. You have done something bad to them, and they had cursed you. Something is bad going on over here. You are not having a good time. You are resting. You are exhausted at this time. Yes, you are exhausted at this time. You don't want to meet anybody. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to talk to anybody. You are mourning over here because of some bad thing that you had done before to someone you are precious, or so, to someone your some of your relatives or someone, and they had cursed you, and that's why you are having a bad time at this time. And I think that with this reading you have done something bad to your wife or husband or fiance. Someone, you have done something bad to them, and they had cursed you, and that's why you are having that difficult time over here. Yes, the emperor and empress, both are upside down. That's mean that you have at this time no good things with you, just like no money, no food, no not a good friend, any good friend with you talk to. Yes, and also you are not able to decide something about some matter because of this, because you want to win something, but you can't decide how to do this, or if you want to do it, if you have to do it or not, if it is good for you or not. You are so stubborn over here. You are so stubborn. You are very tensified, very stressful over here at this time. You have lots of burden over your shoulders. You can see that she had lots of burden over her back and shoulders. That's why you are very stubborn over here. You are a little bit, you are defending yourself. You don't want to meet everyone. You bond yourself from others. You can see that in this case, this man had um, made something like this coffin like this, and wore it over him, and don't want to see or listen anybody other body. And yes, you are weeping over that thing, that what had happened to you. You are not happy with it, because now you realize that you have done something bad to someone else, and the universe had done something bad to you. Tit for tat, something like this. They are thinking about you like this. They are cursing you. They are making the plan. They are making the wish uh, to do something bad towards you, uh, that you never have the time to enjoy. Yes, they're cursing you. And Four of Cups. With this, they are now you are thinking about them. You are thinking that you have done something bad towards them, and now you are thinking about them, and this is vice versa. It's maybe that they are doing they had done something bad to you, or you had done something bad to them. Whichever the circumstances is, take it as resonate to you, and if you are doing you had done something bad to them, then you have to apologize them, I think. Now you are thinking about them. You are thinking that I had done bad thing. Yes, I abused them. I had done bad to them. Now you are realizing that thing, or they are realizing that thing. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. That all what you have done, or that they had done, you both are the soulmates of each other. Now maybe they are coming towards you, or you are going towards them. Ten of Cups. Once again, to apologize, uh, maybe they are, or you are, whoever done the bad thing, okay, and they are coming towards that person, going towards that person, and making apologize, or telling them that you are you still have a love for them in your heart. Heart to heart conversation. Yes, this situation needs a heart to heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Yes, you have to do this. What had you have done before, what they had done before. Now the one who had made the mistake, they had to apologize. They had to make the heart to heart conversation to make this better. True love. This is the true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. This is a true love. Maybe this is some kind of mistake, or some kind of misunderstanding between you, both of you. Or maybe if someone had done something bad, then whatever the circumstances is, you have to apologize them. You have to tell them that what you had for them in your mind. You are a wise person now. You are a high priestess or priest. You are something is hiding over here. Something is mysterious. Something is hiding over here. Now they are, or you are the high priest. You know what is good and good, what is bad for you. There is a 3 and 3 plus 3. is equal to 6. Okay, the date or number 3 or date or number 6, something had for you over here. Okay, um, 3 is for building something, to making something, and the 6 is for love. You have to make love with them, towards them, tell them, heart to heart conversation. uh, Maybe this is about some religious factor. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Maybe you are having a difference of your religious religion, or maybe your upbringing is different from them. That's the also the fact in this situation. But whatever this is going to be happen very soon. You are going to discuss with them. 5 of Wands, something, there's some kind of fight over here. There's some kind of fight is going to happen over here. Let your friends help you. Yes, let your friends help you, and friends, your families, your relatives, let them help you. There is some kind of crystal ball. I think there's some kind of magic over here. Someone had done some bad thing towards you, to both of you, or maybe you are going to do that magic to bring them towards you. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay, and also pray towards Allah, towards God, to for them. Yes, snow angels, the snow angels are with you. The signs are with you already. Yes, angels are going to help you in this situation. They are going to help you when you are truly true heartedly for, sorry about this thing, or want to make apologize towards them. The angels are going to help you. They are with you. They are going to help you. Okay, and maybe if they are a lady, you have to give them a gift, like some kind of necklace. Maybe they like that thing, necklace. And with a clock pumpkin, a wonderful idea, the aha moment. Yes, you are going to they are going to forgive you. They accept you once again, or you accept them once again. You both have a love for each other in your heart, and something bad had done. Now if you are going to apologize them, they are going to forgive you. Panda. Panda is a very light-hearted animal. He never gets angry easily. Very friendly animal. Panda. Yes, they are very polite. They get angry also when someone had done something bad to them, but they are also very polite. They are going to forgive you. Yes, that's what I am getting from here. I want to pull some more cards for you. Yes, with these cards, I think that you are going to take a flight with them. They are going to forgive you, and you are going to enjoy the life, the time with them. With this Athena card, uh, they are very wise, or you are very wise. Wisdom can survive in any circumstances. Wisdom is loved by God. Wisdom is beautiful. Wisdom is long lasting. Wisdom can achieve anything. Okay, and with your wiseness, with your wisdom, you are going to achieve them. Yes, this situation needs the wisdom, and the wisdom is to to apologize them, to forgive them. Yes, And this paper, let parents banquet to their children, not riches but the spirit of reverence. Whatever you got from here, this is the this is also the um, uh, message for you. And to both bee and flower, the giving and receiving of the pleasure is a need and an ecstasy. Yes, giving and receiving. Yes, you have to give them, and they have you both have to give and receive from each other. This is the relationship between you. Give them your love, and they can give you their love at yes, this is the reading for you. This is the situation they are thinking to. Maybe they want you to learn the lesson. Yes, they are not cursing you, but they only want you to learn the lesson, or you only want them to learn the lesson. And after that, when they get their lesson, you are going to forgive them. That's what is going on in between their mind or in between your mind. Yes, this is the situation. I hope you like it. If this reading resonate you, please tell me by comment section. And please like, share, subscribe um, uh, with lots of love. Bye. I am going towards my reading number 2. And for those who choose the reading number 2, this Mathe Bindya Blue Mathe Bindya reading, you have that you are not seeing that your person, if this is your wife, your husband, or your fiance, they are not seeing the, or you are not seeing the no, this is for your person, and this he is not they are not seeing the perspective at the right side. They are taking it wrong. Yes, they are not thinking the right thing. What is this about? Yes, that's why they are very slow. They are very slow towards you. They are not seeing the thing at the right perspective. Maybe they think you are very slow towards them. You are not coming towards them, and they don't think that you are humble to them. You are honest to them. Yes, they think that you don't want to have a family with them. That's what they are thinking. They are not able to decide anything. They are not enjoying their life. They are in a bad mood. They are weeping inside. They are losing their hope, their strength. They are very bad. They are in very bad mood. Yes. And with this 7 of Wands, they are not defending themselves. Maybe they are not eating well with this situation. They are so disheartened. They are not eating. They are just crying over this situation, and they don't want to. I think that also this situation is that also not talking about this thing to anyone else. They are taking these things to inside them. They are giving themselves to punish for that thing, for that thinking that you are not for them, that you don't want the family with them. What is this? Yes, they are taking these all burden over towards them. They are not telling anyone about that thing. They think that you don't want them, you don't love them, you don't want the family with them, and they are crying over that thing, and they are only punching themselves for this. Yes, this Temperance card, this is here that they are going to heal, but very slowly. They are going to heal. They are going to leave their stress, bad thinkings. The sun is rising over here. They are mourning, they are crying, but they are going to heal. Yes, They don't want to fight anybody. They don't want to fight for you. They had dropped their all armors. Yes, they don't want the happiness. They are not anymore attracted towards you, or they don't want the happiness in their life anymore. They have bonded themselves towards sadness. They think that they will never get out from that situation. They are burning, and they think that they will never get out from this fire, this whole situation. They think that they are never going to out of that. But this is their illusion. Eight of Swords is all about illusions. They don't know. uh, They are not stuck over here. They can leave that path. Their swords are at the sides. They can walk through it. But they had the blindfold on over their eyes, and they are not thinking straight, not thinking the right things. They think that they are stuck over that situation. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Yes, they think you are the not for them, or they are not for you. Yes, what they are thinking about over here. They think that you are the not for them. They have to start something new over here. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. This whatever this is, this message is for you. And you have to go towards them. If you love them, if you want them in your life, if you want to start new life with them, you have to go and apologize towards them, to tell them that you whatever you have in your mind, in your heart for them, you have to tell them. Okay, they are not seeing the things clearly. With this card upside winds here, you see clearly clairvoyance, and when this is upside down, this is exactly opposite that what they had said at first, and they are not seeing anything clearly. Now they are, when they are not seeing anything clearly, you have to go towards them and tell them that this is there is nothing about that, that you love them, whatever the situation is over here. Angels, the angels are with you. You have to want the help from angels, and they will help you in this situation. Lion, you have to be like a lion. You have to be very powerful about this situation. Go and make sorry with them, make an apologize with them, and tell them the whole story, what is in your heart. And this is a sea storm. Calm and chose. Maybe they are at this time, they are calm and chose. They are not thinking about anything. But what is inside them, nobody knows. Maybe there is some kind of storm over there. What is this situation is? They are thinking about you, or you are thinking about them. What else? What else? Where does this situation go? Where will this situation go? Are they going to forgive them? See the perspective of the right side. What is going to happen between my pile number 2? What is happening between them? What is going to happen in between them? The board. Are they going to forgive them? What is going to happen between them? Yes, thanks God, at last. You are, oh sorry. You can see over here that this card is for a hard work. If you do a hard work towards them, you can you go and tell them that you are in love with them, that this is not anything, there is not anything like they are thinking, and then they are going you are going to have something better with them. And with this wheel of fortune, this fortune is with you. You are going to have them. You are going to make their mind towards you. At the bottom of the deck you have the Lovers card, and this is about your union, your reunion. They are love. They also love with you, and you love with them, and nobody is going to stop you. And under that card, Lovers card, you are having Three of Wands. You have to wait for them a little bit, but they are for you. They are waiting for you, and you are going to have them. That's what I had for now for my pile number 2. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates you, please tell me in comment section, and with lots of love, please like, share and subscribe with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.